What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to screen record on your iPhone. Now this is a fairly new feature that Apple added recently, and I'm very glad that they added it because before you had to go through some third-party apps to screen record, but it's a super simple feature that Apple shouldn't have added a long time ago, but luckily we have it. And in order to do that, if you swipe down on your screen from the time, you have to do it from the top right corner. If you do it from the middle, it's going to bring up a different menu. But from the top right corner, you can see the little record icon that's turned on from that menu there. If you don't see that icon though, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go into settings, and then just scroll down a little bit until the third menu block. You're going to see the Control Center feature. Once you click Control Center, this is what edits everything that's on your Control Center, and you can add a bunch of different stuff there. But as you can see, I just removed and re-added the screen recording button just to show you guys exactly how that works. If you want to get the screen recording option from the swipe down menu, that is the only way to screen record on your phone, and it does make it super convenient to just hit that button and then go about your screen recording like I do for a lot of my tutorials here. It is super helpful to give me a high definition screen recording that doesn't lag my screen and is super easy to use, and it's just integrated right into the Apple iPhone like that. If you have any questions though, or were confused on how screen recording works, like I said before, you can't do a voiceover right then. You have to do a voiceover separately. It's not going to record any sound. I will say if you do have sound on your device, like a video in the background playing or some sound from the game, it is going to pick up on that, so be careful with that. You might have to re-edit that if you don't want the sound in there. But other than that, that is pretty much all I have for you today. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this works, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.